Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Fajar Awala. I am a mathematics education student from Tidar University. In this video, I will explain mathematics material in English. So, check it out. So now, we will learn about arithmetic operation. Arithmetic operation are the best way of calculating number in mathematics. This operation include addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, exponent, and root. But in this video, I will only explain three of them, like multiplication, exponent, and root. So, let's go to the first material. So, the first material is multiplication. Multiplication or repeated addition tell us to take one number and then repeat it a certain number of times. Okay, let's zoom in. Okay, so this is the basic formula of multiplication, which A is multiplier, B is multiplicand, and this is the product. And the next is example, 5 times 3. The meaning, repeated addition of the number of 5 in 3 times. So we can write like this. 5 times 3 is 5 plus 5 plus 5. 3 times. And then 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to, yes, 5t. The next. So how can we read the multiplication formula? In the first, you can use blah 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 multiplied by blah 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 equals to blah blah blah. The second, blah 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 is multiplied by blah 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 is blah blah blah. The third, blah 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 times blah 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 equals to blah blah blah. And then the last, blah 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 times blah 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 is blah blah blah. Now we go to the practice. The question is 3 times 2 is equal to blah blah blah. Which following operation is correct? Anybody can answer? Yes, the answer is B. So, why option A, C, D is wrong? Okay, let's see the option of A. 3 is multiplied by 2 equal to 5. Okay, the first we will finish the operation. 3 times 2 equals to 3 plus 3. And then the answer is 6. So, the A is wrong because the product is 5. The true is 6. So, A is wrong. But in the C, 2 is multiplied by 3 is 6. I think it's wrong because 2 multiplied by 3. So, D, 3 over 2 is 6. Let's see the offer. Offer not include the multiplication operation. So, D is wrong. Material is rules. Yes, rules. For example, I have a problem. The problem is 3 plus 6 times 2 is equal to blah blah blah. Anyone can answer? Raise your hand please. Yes, Todi?
The answer is 18 because 3 plus 6 is 9 and then 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. That was easy.
Okay, thank you Dodi. Does anyone have a different answer from Dodi? Yes, please Andy.
Andy, don't try to copy my answer. Don't worry, I'm not gonna copy an answer because I have the right answer. So, in the first, I will go for multiplication operation. So, 6 times 2 is 12. And then, 3 plus 12 is 15.
Okay, thank you both for answering. So this is the answer from Dodi and this is the answer from Andy. So, this is proof if we did a different rules, we got different answer. Math rules is very important to know multiplication, division, addition or subtraction. Which one to do first? So, remember this. So, this is rules in arithmetic operation. In arithmetic operation, the first calculation is multiplication and division, and the last is addition and subtraction. I think all of you already knows the right answer from this problem. Yes, the right answer is from Andy, because multiplication we count first, so 6 times 2 is 12, and then 3 plus 12 is 15. Good job, Andy. Let's go to the practice. The question is, which solution is correct? Let's see the option from A, B, C, and D. Based on the rules, we do multiplication and division first, and then addition and subtraction. So, let's see the A. A is 2 times 5 plus 3. So, we can first is multiplication, so 2 times 5 is 2. True or false? Yes, false, because 2 times 5 is 10. Let's see the B option. 2 times 4 plus 3. Multiplication first, so 2 times 4 is 8, correct? And 8 plus 3 is 11, and correct. So the answer is B. So why C and D is wrong? Because let's see the multiplication first. 4 times 3 is 3. No, because 4 times 3 is 12. And D, 5 times 3 is 3. Yes, false, because 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, the next material is exponent. Exponentiation is a mathematical operation for the repeated multiplication of a number as many as its exponent. So let's zoom in. So this is the best exponentiation formula, which can be read blah 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 multiply blah 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 times, which A is base number and N is exponent or power. So the number of multiplication is equal to the number of exponent. So for example, first 4 multiplied 2 times is 4 times 4. And 4 multiplied 3 times is 4 times 4 times 4. And 4 multiplied 4 times is 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. But if the number of exponent is 0, then the answer always be 1. Okay, next, exponent also have rules. From the base material, we get rules. First, multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. But actually, before multiplication and division, we should count exponent first. For example, number 1. 3 times 4 multiplied 2 times. So the first we can first is exponent, and then multiply is in the second. So the answer is 3 multiplied 4 multiplied 2 times is 16, and then 3 times 16 is 48. So example number 2. 5 times 3 multiplied 2 times plus 2. So the first is exponent, and then multiplication, and the last is addition. So the answer is 5 times 3 multiplied 2 times is 9, and then plus 2. In this situation, we can first multiply and then addition. So 5 times 9 is 45, and then 45 times plus 2 is 42, and then the answer is C. Now we go to the last material, roots. In mathematics, root is the inverse operation of the exponent. So let's zoom in. Example: 4 multiplied 2 times is 4 times 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. So to inverse that exponent, we can start out with the answer and then somehow getting back to the base number. So this is second root of 16. In this case, what number you could multiply together 2 times to get 16? And then the answer is 4. So, when doing the exponent, we ask, what do we get if we multiply 4 together 2 times? And then the answer is 16. But when did the root operation we ask? What number could we multiply together 2 times to get 16? And then the answer is 4. Now to the next example. Second root of 16 is 4 because 4 times 4 is 16. But what if we change the little number from 2 to 4? And then what number could we multiply together 4 times to get 16? Anyone can answer? Yes. The answer is 2 because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. Now let's go to the practice. Second root of 49 is equal to 7. True or false? Yes, true. Because 7 times 7 is 49. Well, I will give you a summary from this video. In the first, we got multiplication operation tell us to take one number and then repeat it a certain number of times. In the second, we got exponential is a mathematical operation for the repeated multiplication of a number as many as its exponent. In the third, we got in mathematics, the square root is the inverse operation of exponent. And the last, we got the rules with counting the first is exponent, and then multiplication and division, and the last, addition and subtraction. Okay, I think that's enough for me. Thank you for watching this video until the end. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.